Place a bay leaf on your radiator, and the effect will surprise you. Bay leaves are not just a popular kitchen ingredient. They also have calming and relaxing properties. Take a few bay leaves and place them on your radiator. You can adjust the number of leaves depending on how strong you want the aroma to be. Once they're in place, turn up the heat. The warmth from the radiator will release a gentle, soothing scent that will fill the entire room. This aroma not only helps you relax, but can also improve focus and create a pleasant atmosphere at home. After a few weeks, the scent of the leaves will fade, and they'll dry out. That's the perfect time to replace them with fresh ones. But don't throw away the dry leaves. When they're completely dry, you can burn them. A bay leaf will catch fire briefly, then smolder, releasing a more intense aroma. This practice is known for its purifying effects on the air and the atmosphere in your home. Try it yourself and experience how a small change can enhance your mood and well-being every day. A natural cream that improved the condition of my skin. Add 2 tablespoons of cloves into a pan with water. They help cleanse the pores and smooth the skin's surface. Then add a few bay leaves. Heat it until the water turns brown. Bay leaves have hidden properties. They are soothing and antiseptic. Strain the infusion through a sieve. Put it back on the stove and add 2 tablespoons of potato starch. Stir until everything dissolves and thickens. Then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. It moisturizes the skin and works against wrinkles. Apply this cream to your face and hands. Since it's made from natural ingredients, keep it in the fridge, no longer than 2 weeks. Your skin will thank you. Pour this over your feet. A forgotten home remedy is making a surprising comeback. Our grandmothers knew it well, but today hardly anyone remembers it. You only need 1 ingredient, something you probably already have in your kitchen: bay leaves. That simple spice you usually toss into soup? Few people know it contains essential oils and tannins with powerful properties. I'll explain in a moment. Grab a medium-sized pot, add 10 to 15 bay leaves, and pour in about 4 cups of water. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Let it cool down a bit. Once it reaches a comfortable temperature, place your feet in a basin and pour the mixture over them until fully submerged. Soak for at least 20 minutes. That's all it takes to notice a difference. Repeat this treatment 3 times a week. Bay leaves have antibacterial and antifungal properties, and most importantly, they tighten the pores of the skin. And that means one thing: less sweat, less odor, and cleaner, fresher feet. This simple foot soak can truly transform your feet. A natural cream that improved the condition of my skin. Add 2 tablespoons of cloves into a pan with water. They help cleanse the pores and smooth the skin's surface. Then add a few bay leaves. Heat it until the water turns brown. Bay leaves have hidden properties. They are soothing and antiseptic. Strain the infusion through a sieve. Put it back on the stove and add 2 tablespoons of potato starch. Stir until everything dissolves and thickens. Then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. It moisturizes the skin and works against wrinkles. Apply this cream to your face and hands. Since it's made from natural ingredients, keep it in the fridge, no longer than 2 weeks. Your skin will thank you. When I use this trick, my home instantly gains a fresh, pleasant atmosphere. Choose a small, transparent container. It can be plastic or glass. Pour in some coarse salt, which is great at absorbing moisture and slowly releasing fragrance. Add 1 scoop of green laundry detergent, then mix thoroughly. The green color adds a refreshing touch to the mixture. To make the scent last longer, add a tablespoon of alcohol and mix well. Finally, add a few cloves, which will give the mixture a warm, spicy note. You can place the container on the windowsill, and the scent will fill the room, blending beautifully with the greenery of your plants. If you want a version for the bathroom, simply repeat the same process, but use blue detergent. The blue color is perfect for the bathroom, and its fresh scent brings a light, airy feeling. Add cloves again, and you're done. 2 colors, 2 moods: green for nature and relaxation, blue for freshness and cleanliness. Simple, effective, and beautiful. Do this as soon as you notice mold around your windows. After this method, the glass won't fog up, and the musty smell will disappear completely. Start by preparing a bowl and adding 3 tablespoons of dish soap. It helps dissolve grease, dirt, and dust that promote mold growth. Then add a cup of vinegar. It has disinfecting, antifungal, and antibacterial properties, while also neutralizing unpleasant odors. Add a tablespoon of regular table salt. Salt is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs excess moisture from the air and prevents condensation on the windows. Mix everything well. Now grind a few cloves, preferably using a coffee grinder, and place them in a container. Cloves have natural antiseptic and antifungal properties, and their scent repels insects. Pour boiling water over them and let them steep for a few minutes. Then add a cup of this clove infusion to your bowl and mix everything again. Pour the solution into a spray bottle using a funnel. Spray the window seals and the area around the windows to prevent mold from returning. This mixture absorbs moisture, stops condensation, and keeps your windows clean, dry, and fresh-smelling. I've been using this trick for years. It really works. This is a simple way to make your home smell clean and fresh. Additionally, it's a great method to keep your house free from insects and pests. I've never had such a lovely fragrance in my home before. Prepare a small bowl and some sea salt. Add 4 tablespoons of salt to the bowl and smooth it out with a spoon. Now, take a smaller bowl and mix 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol with 1 tablespoon of water. It's important to keep the proportions correct. Pour this mixture into the bowl with salt and mix thoroughly. The alcohol will prolong the effect of the air freshener. Press the mixture down firmly. Next, add a measure of your favorite fabric softener. Mix everything together and press it down again. Add 5 drops of eucalyptus oil. This oil not only smells pleasant, but also repels flies, mosquitoes, and ants. As an additional repellent, stick some cloves into the mixture. For us, cloves smell wonderful, but for insects, they're a natural deterrent. Now your air freshener is ready. You can place it around your home. The best spots are near windows, on tables, or in the bathroom. This air freshener will repel bugs from your home. They hate this scent. It costs next to nothing to make, and the effect is amazing. Your home will smell great for a long time. Every winter, I place this on the radiator. You can feel the difference almost immediately. In winter, the air indoors becomes dry and uncomfortable. It irritates your throat and makes it harder to sleep. That's why I use this simple, natural trick. Take a tall jar and fill it almost to the top with warm water. Now grab an orange. It contains natural essential oils that freshen the air and create a pleasant, soothing scent. Slice it into pieces about a 1/4 inch thick to release as much aroma as possible and drop a few slices into the jar. Next, add a generous handful of cloves. They have a warm, intense scent with antibacterial properties and can help support the airways. Stir gently so the ingredients begin releasing their fragrance. The mixture is ready. Now the key step. Turn the radiator up and let it heat properly. Place the jar directly on top. As it warms up, the water slowly evaporates, slightly increasing the humidity in the room. This helps prevent dryness, so your throat feels less irritated and breathing becomes easier. The natural oils from the orange and cloves disperse into the air, freshening it and neutralizing unwanted odors. The air feels gentler on your respiratory system, and it's easier to fall asleep, all without using chemical air fresheners.